Hello everybody! So, yesterday I tried to film a cooking video with my mom, however things did not go as planned. So today we are going to be filming a little baking video together. I'm using this little mic so you guys can hear me and not have like shitty audio quality. Okay, so we are going to start with the lemon filling. 1 cup of sugar with, it says a saucepan. Okay, saucepan. 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, let's do a bit of that. I need the juice and zest of 2 lemons. Okay, zested. Now I'm going to juice my lemons.
Hello baby boys and girls, so this is future Gilby right now. I'm editing and the mic isn't even working, as you know, so this doesn't even make sense anymore. I'm just gonna drink my tea for you. You're so very welcome.
Okay, now I'm just gonna pour my lemon juice with my flour and sugar and stuff, and then we're gonna cook it over medium heat, and then we're gonna add in our eggs.
Me, Jesse, and Ari. If they test me, they're sorry. Riders up like a hurry and pull up in this Ferrari.
Okay, I cooked the stuff together, so I'm going to separate 4 eggs. And it's super important to not get any yolks into the white. If you get, oh my god. Okay, I'm not going to talk and do this at the same time. So I finished the curd, it's like solid. Now we are going to make the crust. The recipe calls for 1 cup of butter, but I'm going to cut it down a bit and use 3/4 of a cup instead. So I'm just going to use some brown sugar. It calls for 1/2 cup I think, but I'm just going to use a few, like a bit of some tablespoons. Just because the curd is already so sweet, I don't want to add so much sugar to it. Okay, I got it all over my shirt. Okay, so butter and sugar is beat. Okay, now I'm gonna start adding my flour. So 2 cups of AP flour with a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Put that into the mixture here. So now we're just gonna beat the butter with the flour. Okay, my crust dough is done, and I'm just gonna pack it into the bottom of this 9-inch pan. I don't know if it's all gonna fit, so I might need to make 2 pies. Now both of these are going into a 350-degree oven for, I don't know how long, until they're done, I guess. I have the pie crust in the oven now. I have my 4 egg whites that we saved from before, and then we're gonna add sugar into it as it's whipping. It's not plugged in.
Ooh, bitch.
The pie crusts are done. We're just gonna fill them really quick. I'm gonna top it with some meringue. And we still have that stiff peak. Normally you would put a blowtorch to brown it, but I don't have a blowtorch, so I'm just going to use my oven. I'm just going to turn it up to like 500 degrees and just use broil. And hopefully it's not going to burn, but I feel like it should be fine. Okay, so I'm going to put these in the oven for maybe like 3 minutes. On the top rack, set to broil. And I will be back. Okay, so like I put them in the oven and I took them out and they're kind of burnt, but oh well. I'm just gonna cut into this one really quick just to show you what it looks like. And then I guess I'm gonna do a taste test. You know how in cooking videos they're like,
"Oh, I finished this thing. I'm gonna eat it now and tell you about it."
I'm gonna do that. So but anyways, I just want to finish this video so I can eat dinner. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about the video down below in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified when I post my next videos. But thank you all again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.